This is really good.
You know one of my biggest pet peeves is?
What?
Listening to people eat.
Can you imagine what this mic is picking up right now? This mic's like, I hate this job. So we should probably tell the people out there who you are since we're rolling and they probably are wondering, right?
Sure, yeah. My name is Bethany Davis and I am the new marketing manager at Kitchen and Bath Crate.
Absolutely. We're excited to have you on the team, for sure.
Excited to be here.
But it was a little bit of a unique story about how you came to be the marketing manager. So why don't you share that, and then we'll get into the hard-hitting, rapid-fire questions of Bethany Davis.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right?
Yep.
Okay.
So 3 years ago, my husband and I bought a fixer-upper house with the intentions that we would fix it up ourselves. Quickly decided that that is not the case and we would pay anybody anything to fix it up. So we began looking for a contractor. I think we got 5 different bids. A friend of mine said, you have to check out Kitchen and Bath Crate. They did our remodel in a month. So called you guys, had you guys come out. Daniel came out, gave us a proposal. Long story short, we have a brand new, beautiful kitchen.
And it's amazing,
It's
like the one we're in right now.
Amazing, yeah.
Yeah?
It is. It doesn't even look like the same house or same kitchen. But through that, John is my husband, fell in love with the team. When they finished our remodel, we were happy they were gone because they were done, but then we would sit around and we'd be like, we miss Yusuf and we miss Bill and where's our friends? So.
Well, now you're with your friends 40 hours a week.
All the time,
All
yeah.
the time.
And I think John cost you some overtime by keeping them busy and talking to them. I'd go out there and be like, John, let them work. They were so great and working while he was just chatting their ear off, so.
Well, that's awesome. That's a great way to have someone join our team when it's someone that's actually experienced the process, right?
Yeah.
Things like that. But we want to let people out there get to know you. So I'm going to go through on my Android device some rapid fire questions. So are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Okay. I didn't bring my glasses. So what is your job title? Did you already say that? Let's say it again. What is your job title?
Marketing manager.
Okay, good. You answered that correctly. What was your first job?
My first job was a hostess at the Cheesecake Factory.
Cheesecake. Ah, stars
Perfect.
are aligned.
Yes.
What is your favorite month?
December.
Favorite season? Christmas.
Yes.
Yes?
Winter. Yes.
Okay. Favorite color?
Pink.
Favorite food?
Everything?
What word do you have a hard time pronouncing? That's a hard one to know until
Pass.
you run across it, right?
I try not to remember it. Once I pronounce it once.
Seasonal items.
Seasonal islands.
No, that was my mistake today. Okay, who is your hero?
My mom.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
With or without kids?
Vacation, no kids.
Mexico. Cancun.
Okay. Favorite subject in school?
Science.
Favorite dessert?
Charcuterie board?
Dessert.
Is that a dessert? I would pick a
okay.
charcuterie board, cheese and wine over dessert. If I had to pick dessert, it'd be creme brulee.
Okay. This is your rapid fire, so you can make charcuterie
Okay.
dessert. Let's go to the next list, which is the real hard-hitting ones. What has been your favorite age so far?
16.
Oh, okay. What is your go-to lazy dinner?
Takeout.
What? Take out what?
Sushi.
Sushi, okay. Right answer. Have you ever written a song for someone like John?
No.
You should write John a song.
I never will. He would write me a song, for sure.
I would love if you would post John writing you a song.
I will.
Or singing you a song.
On the Kitchen and Bath Crate Instagram?
Yes,
Okay.
100%. I will get him something if he does that. What is one thing you regret spending money on? Oh, that's a hard one.
That's a tough one.
You pass?
Come back to it. Maybe I'll.
Okay. What is a hidden talent?
I can do handstands for a really long time.
Oh, like how long?
Until I'm tired of the blood rushing in my head.
Like a minute?
Probably.
An hour?
No.
Oh.
No.
Okay. Maybe if John sang you a song. What is one thing, oh, this is interesting. Wow. What is one thing you wish you enjoyed more? It's kind of weird, huh?
Reading.
Oh yeah, that's a good answer. 2 more questions. If you were to write a book, what would it be about?
Fitness.
Not kitchen and bathroom remodeling?
You already did that.
Oh, thanks. Okay, last one. Where do you and John prefer to go on a date night?
to Pietro's. It's an Italian restaurant in Lodi.
Sounds great. We'll ask one more. What is one thing you're looking forward to about this new role with Kitchen and Bath Crate?
Yeah, so I'm really looking forward to just connecting with the Kitchen and Bath Crate community and getting the community to see a little more behind the scenes of what we do. A little more raw footage, the guys at work, kind of what you do, chasing flies.
Us eating cheesecake.
Us eating cheesecake.
Yes, all those types of things.
All of that, and get to know, our crate fans a little better.
100%. Well, we're excited to have you on the team. I think you out there are really going to enjoy learning more about Bethany and specifically watching her kind of show you some various elements of Kitchen and Bath Crate, including beautiful projects like this one we got to film at today. And so great to have you on the team. And we'll talk to you out there pretty soon, right?
Thanks. I'm very excited to be here.
Awesome. Have a good rest of your day.